Recording the spoken word for voiceover, podcasting, or any other application has its own specific demands. Here are some methods for achieving professional-sounding results without spending a fortune. The most important part of the signal chain is the microphone. Here we have an AT2020 USB cardioid condenser. The AT2020 USB not only sounds great, but the USB output allows the digital signal to be recorded into any computer and functions seamlessly with your favorite recording software. When recording voiceover, it's important to capture the voice cleanly, free of artifacts, and with a minimum of room ambience or background noise. The ideal solution is a separate, isolated space like this ISO booth, which is treated inside to reduce reflections as well. If space is at a premium or you're working alone, a dedicated ISO booth may not be practical. In that case, setting up your workspace properly can make a big difference. The computer itself can be a significant source of noise due to the fans, drives, or other moving parts. Keep the computer as far from the mic as possible. If you're working at a desk or table, keep it underneath. A piece of acoustically absorbent material in front of the computer can also reduce noise. But be sure to leave some space to prevent interrupting the airflow to the fans and causing your computer to overheat. If you're using a laptop, try to keep any fans to the lowest setting possible. Also, keeping the laptop directly behind the mic will help maximize the off-axis rejection of the mic's cardioid pickup pattern. The next thing to do is to treat your workspace to reduce the amount of reflected sound picked up by the mic to the absolute minimum. Treating the walls with specially made acoustic panels, heavy curtains, or just about any material that absorbs sound will help reduce reflections from the room. Treating the walls directly to the sides and especially the rear will do the most good. The mic's cardioid pickup pattern will reject reflections from directly behind. If you're working seated, a table or any other flat surface like this can also cause unwanted reflections. Place a soft material like this mat to reduce reflections from the tabletop. For high-end applications, the warm character and low self-noise of the AT4047 SV cardioid condenser makes it an ideal choice for broadcast and voiceover. Another important consideration is positioning. Moving closer to the mic will increase the ratio of direct sound to ambient noise. As you get within a few inches of a cardioid microphone, proximity effect causes an exaggerated low end. This can be good or bad depending on whether you're going for a natural sound or a movie trailer announcer guy. If you're using a music stand, try keeping it below and behind the mic to prevent unwanted reflections. Placing a soft material like this piece of felt on the stand can also help. If you're going to work close to the mic, adding a pop filter may also be necessary to prevent plosives from hard consonants, especially the letters P or B, from creating audible pops. By following these few simple steps, your podcasts and voiceovers will sound like the pros. On the stage or in the studio, Audio-Technica has you covered.